They say every function is incomplete if we do not dance and rejoice on the beats of dole. So hold your breath as our little Wonderites are going to leave you spellbound with this mesmerizing performance. Before that, I would like to invite Hitachi on the stage, please.
So hold your breath and gear up to witness some energy, some vibes of joy in this upcoming colorful performance by Class 2B, celebrating the rich culture and joyous spirit of Punjab. This traditional dance is a powerful expression of happiness, community and celebration, much like the love and warmth our grandparents bring into our lives. So let's clap along and enjoy as our performers bring the stage to life with the infectious beats of Gidda and Bhangra.
Lord, we are unstoppable. Well done. Now I must hear a loud clap coming for them. Thank you so much. Now it's time to hear from someone whose guidance and leadership inspire us every day. We are truly honored to have our respected principal, Ms. Poonamjeet Kaur, here with us. I would like to invite her on the stage to share her thoughts and words of wisdom with us. Ma'am, please. Let's all welcome her with a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Dear grandparents and parents, aunts, uncles, काफी मासियाँ, पुआ भी होंगे शायद, yes? And of course, Nana Nani and Dada Dadis are of course the guests of honor today. So you've seen the spirit. And I think I will continue with English and Hindi. दो अपने बहुत सारे अपने पंजाबी हैं तो मैम ने I think cater करना है थोड़े वास्ते. So I am going to speak to you all, and I know that you all are very good with your English. ताही आपस अपने US से Canada नो मलया हुआ है ना. Yes. So I don't think we have any problem with the language, and our children here spoke so well. I think you all saw that. Their language, their spoken skills were so good, and that is what we're trying to do. Whether you're speaking in English या आप हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप पंजाबी च गल कर रहे हैं, अपने वो लैंग्वेज दी मर्यादा नो बनाए रखना हैगा. That is what we are trying to teach our children. Every language is important. Every language has, the importance in our life, and we as grandparents are creating that need. So we say mother tongue. Where is the mother tongue coming from? The mother's mother also. Yes? So whatever you speak at home has a lot of respect in our school. Whether it is Hindi, whether it is Punjabi, and of course English, because we do want our children to be able to communicate. Like ma'am said, communication skills, 21st century skills. We need to ensure that our children can speak and hold themselves in any forum. Do you think that they held themselves with great dignity and creativity? आपको लगा कि वो बहुत ही अच्छे थे, उनका performance बहुत अच्छा था, they were very confident? Yes. So let's give them a big round of applause. When things go well, everything is great. Did you see our little girls, how they did not lose their nerve when the light went? Yes? So they waited for the generator to be started. There is a little period. We might be impatient, but they were patiently waiting for the light to come on so that they could finish the performance. These are life skills that we are teaching here at Smart Wonders. Confidence, competence, and caring children. The very fact that you all are sitting here and the children are regaling you with stories and programs of how much they love you. That means they are caring. So confidence is there, competence is there, that's why they performed. All these are skills. Not everyone can dance, not everyone can sing, not everyone can act. But our children, all of them are doing it. So thank you dear grandparents for having this trust in us, for sending your little babies to us. And believe me, we all love it when the children are here. We take your trust very seriously. We ensure that your children are learning something every day, be it academic or co-curricular. Second, we ensure that they are absolutely safe. So, ma'am started with, we were talking about the dignity of girls, the importance of girls. Very, very right. In our school, we ensure that not only are the girls safe, we believe in gender equality. Our girls and boys are safe. We are teaching the boys, as you should also, how to respect each other. So girls and boys, we are going to make sure that they grow up equally, and in the school You do not have to worry about safety, dear grandparents, dear parents. That is our assurance. Be aware that we have cameras everywhere. So I know this sounds like a little serious talk, but this is what gives us the confidence that where my grandchild is going, they are well looked after. We are very serious about our commitment towards safety of the children, and whenever we see something, we definitely look into it. However, thank you so much for taking out the time today. You all have been wonderful audience. You all have participated. I think आप लोगों के लिए तो स्टेज भी बहुत बड़ा बनवाना पड़ेगा, है ना? इसीलिए हमारे इतने टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं, क्योंकि ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स इतने ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हैं. हम पेरेंट्स तक तो क्या जाएंगे? Yes, parents must be even more so. So thank you so much for taking out the time, dear grandparents, parents, and thank you for joining us. It has been a lovely occasion, and my heart is, overflowing, because it is important for us to understand that in a school system, we have to look at the Neve. Like ma'am said, you are the Neve at home, and the school is going to be the foundation of their future life. What they are learning here is their foundation, and we believe in a very, very strong foundation. And the children are in the foundation years. Yes? So I think the Neve is going to be very, very strong. Thank you, Dolly. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And thank you, dear grandparents, for being a part of this show. Ma'am, this sir wants to say something.
Good afternoon to all of you, respected lecturers, principal, teachers, and fellow grandparents. Thank you for inviting us to this lecture show. We are very happy that you have invited us, and we enjoyed this very, very important and very, very joyful function. It is our good support to the students that they are now understanding where we have come, what the teachers are performing, what the teachers are supporting, how they are making the lot of efforts for this, and our grandparents, children are doing, because they are providing all kind of facility, all kind of sports, and they are making lot of efforts for this. I want to express my gratitude to the school for organizing these functions. This is really a very good function, and at the same time, as the Madam Directors told me, some things that should be followed. What is that we have to teach our grandchildren about how we have to respect the girls. Now, second, when a child is born in the family, it is boy or girl. That was the past when we were thinking that the girl is born. Now it is a modern world, and everyone is happy to have a girl. And moreover, it is usually said that house is lucky to have a daughter, because that says daughter is a person who loves the grandparents more than the grandboys. So it's my observation. I don't think any grandfather will not agree to me, because daughter is always very lovely to the parents. So this is very nice that you people are taking care of this. So thank you once again to the school and everyone for extending this kind of invitation to we people, and we came here and we enjoyed a very good function. Again, thank you very much. Thank you.
Try and stick to the program.
So, grandparents, thank you so much for being here. I will just deliver my vote of thanks, because that is my moral duty. A grandparent is a little bit parent, a little bit teacher, but I believe most of it, they are the best friends. So it's my honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion of Grandparents' Day. On behalf of Smart Wonder School, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for making this day truly memorable. To our beloved grandparents, thank you for gracing us with your presence and for the endless love and wisdom you share with us. Your role in shaping our students' lives irreparable and irreplaceable, and today's celebration is a small token of our appreciation and gratitude for all that you do for our young children. A big thank you to our students for their beautiful performances and to the teachers for their dedication in making this event a success. Your hard work has truly brightened our day. We also extend a special thanks to our art department for adding the grace and ambience, the music department for their melodious renditions, the IT department for their creativity and technical expertise. Your contributions ensured that today's event was not only organized well, but also visually and musically enriching. To our charismatic coordinator, thank you Manveen ma'am for your meticulous planning and organization which ensured everything ran smoothly. Finally, we express our heartfelt gratitude to our director, Ms. Avinash Kaur, whose leadership and commitment to excellence continue to elevate our school standards. Your encouragement and support makes events like this possible, and we are so fortunate, Avinash ma'am, to have your vision during driving us forward. I would fail my duty if I do not extend my heartfelt and sincerest thanks to our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Poonamjeet Kaur, ma'am, for your continued guidance, support and vision in fostering such a warm and inclusive school environment that allows us to celebrate occasions like these. And finally, I really and truly from the bottom of my heart express our gratitude to the support staff of the school whose support is always and ever prime in such events. A big thank you to all our Didis and Kayas. And once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks for enriching our hearts with such warmth and I would say love, and like we all need a lot of blessings to move ahead. So wishing you all happy grandparenting, and we assure you that we meet next year again. Thank you all.